Hello guys and welcome you all back once again here at German Check. As you know, we are struggling to get to know more of German vocabulary. This time we will proceed again inside a building, inside a house or a room. This topic will cover words that you mostly will use in the kitchen or when you cook stuff. And if you want to learn here those vocabularies that are going to come in a more active way, you of course are always free to get yourself a pencil and a piece of paper and write those words down, just so you put them much effectively to your memory. This is a simple and effective way to memorize new words. So, here you go again. Let me take you on a journey through some German vocabulary. Der Wasserkocher. Der Kaffee. Die Tasse. Die Untertasse. Der Teelöffel. Der Becher. Die Teekanne. Das Glas. Der Tee. Der Kühlschrank. Der Löffel. Die Gabel. Das Messer. Der Rührbesen. Der Kochlöffel. Der Herd. Das Kochfeld. Das Küchenmesser. Die Pfanne. Die Butter. Der Kochtopf. Der Topfdeckel. Der Teller. Der Topfschwamm. Die Flasche. Das Wasser. Das Glas. Das Sieb. Der Schäler. Die Reibe. Das Küchenmesser. Das Schneidebrett. Die Auflaufform. Der Salzstreuer. Der Messbecher. Der Pfannenwender. Die Springform. Das Backblech. Der Teig. Die Serviette. Die Schüssel. Die Küchenwaage. Das Trockentuch. Okay, alright. I hope you found it quite helpful and you now do know more than you did before. That's my idea for each of those vocabulary journeys that you are going to take upon. And if you like the visual way that you are here able to learn those words, well, I'm always happy if you support me by leaving a like and subscribe to my channel, of course. Well, see you on our next lesson. Habt noch eine schöne Woche. Bis demnächst.